Sitting here with some friends and we're going out on the glass bottom boat today to Island to have a barbecue.
Story about this is we are here in the Chole Bay. This area is called the Chole Bay, but the destination we are going now, it is called the Coral Garden. I found different creatures here from the seagrasses of different species, but the dominant one here, it is called the Tharathodendron ciliata. And we are going to meet with the different fishes here, but mainly the juvenile. Why? Because it is low tide now. So we are going likely to meet with juvenile. Why? Because it is time of low tide, and during low tide the bigger fish are escaping from being caught by the other big predators. But we have a variety form of these valuable creatures, corals, from cabbage coral in shape to the fire coral, to the mushroom coral, up to the one who look like a brain one. But also we are going to meet with a big cluster of the reef.